Hazrat Mahmud bin Rabi Ansari radiyallahu anhu narrates that Hazrat Itban bin Malik radiyallahu anhu, one of the Prophet's companions who participated in the Battle of Badr from the helper's side, visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have lost my eyesight and I lead my people in prayers. When it rains, the valley in between me and them flows, and it becomes impossible for me to go to the mosque for leading them in the prayer. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I therefore wish that you may come and perform prayer in my house, so that I may fix that place as a prayer place. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, Soon I will do it if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills. Hazrat Itban radiyallahu anhu states, next day when the sun rose high, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the permission to enter, which I gave. After entering the house, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not sit down, but said to me, Where do you wish me to perform prayer in your house? I whereupon pointed to a place in the house. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and pronounced takbeer, and we lined up. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then performed 2 units and performed the salutation. Thereafter, we requested him to stay for khazira, food, which we had prepared for him at home. Many people from the neighborhood also gathered in the house. One of them said, Where is Malik bin Dukhshun? Someone said, He is a hypocrite, for he does not love Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Do not pass these remarks. Don't you see he has uttered, There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, only for Allah's pleasure. That man submitted. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. The reporter states that they said, We observe his inclination to and solicitude only for the hypocrites. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden the fire for the person who pronounces there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, provided seeking only Allah's pleasure. Ibn Shihab states, I then inquired of Hussain bin Muhammad Ansari, a member of Banu Salim and their chief, about this hadith, and he also testified it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5401.